Hello everyone! Welcome to 30 Days Piano with Viky for Beginners. Today we're going to learn the theme from Breakfast at Tiffany's called Moon River, and this is day 13. Before we start learning the piece together, I'll play it for you and then we'll talk about it. Did you know Moon River was almost cut from Breakfast at Tiffany's? One of the producers, in fact, said that the song had to go. At the end, they decided it would stay, and Moon River won the Academy Award for Best Original Song.
Wherever you're going, I'm going your way.
The piece is in C major, so that's a relief. Nothing tricky there with sharps and flats. We are very used to playing C major already in this course and in our 30 days. The little tricky thing here is that the left hand is doing a lot of jumping around, and it's the first time that we have to start thinking which hand is actually more important and which hand needs to be a bit louder than the other hand. So the challenge in this piece is to make the right hand the star. The right hand has the melody, so it needs to sing a lot, and the left hand has to be the background, making it very dreamy and creating the atmosphere. So let's try and play it musical phrase by musical phrase together. So in the first part, the left hand, it's very important that you start to play without any tension and with this curve movement, right? So if you play the C, G, and reach the E, the hand naturally turns that way, right? So the whole piece will be a little of this movement here. So bass, middle note, high note, and back. And then bass, middle note, high note, and back. That way you don't stay in the same place and kind of just reach to the keys, right? So let's try the left hand, just the first line, so we get used to this movement. So, and use the pedal to connect all the notes. That's it. So very relaxed and with a very soft sound. So don't be heavy on the left hand. The right hand, meanwhile, has this beautiful melody on top, so we have to make sure that it's more important than the left hand. So let's try it together. You can play it a little slower. And that's the first musical phrase. So slower and try to have more weight on the right hand, on the melody. Very connected notes and more weight on the right hand. Let's try the second musical phrase. You can slow down there a little bit if you want, so the left hand can come up from the low E to the higher A. So slow down a little bit before that. Let me try again so you can hear it better. Slow and up. Next phrase. practice if you want to practice your left hand to play the notes together. So maybe here, well, you can reach the G, E, and G in the first bar of this musical phrase. So this one, then that one, you can break it like this, but just try to play all the chords so you get used to the positions, right? So maybe playing the whole piece like that, it's worth trying with the left hand. So just playing the chords without any rhythms, with the curve movement. That's where we stopped just now. So let's go back to tempo and rhythm. Next musical phrase. And hold there, because then we have to go back to the beginning basically. So these last 3 bars with the left hand, B, D sharp, A, D sharp, and then C sharp, E, G, E, D, G, and B, needs a little practice so you get used to the chords. But if you look at the bass, just the bass line from the previous part, G, F, A flat, A, B, C sharp, D. You can even practice just that so you get used to where to start from with the left hand. So let's repeat this together. And hold. And then we'll repeat from the beginning. Nothing new here, just a repetition. Now a little something happening. Change on the same note with the right hand. Did you know Marilyn Monroe almost played the role of Holly, and Audrey Hepburn hesitated to accept her part? Now, just before the end, we have something interesting happening in the left hand again, which is a long arpeggio with the left hand. Keep the middle C with the right hand. Go over to the E with the left hand, then G, and then C. So let's play this again. And hold. So crossing hands, something new for today. Now I've included also the chords in the music sheet below, which you can download for free. So you can look at what types of chords we're playing as well. So we're playing, for example, a C major, an A minor, an F major, again C major, F major. It's very good practice to also memorize the left hand by the sequence of the chords in this piece. So try that as well at home, see how it works. I hope you enjoyed the lesson and subscribe for more videos like this.